me. It's 10 o'clock. Don't look at my glasses. I know they're so bad. It makes me look like I'm Sherman or whatever his name is. But I been on my phone for like an hour. Today is Saturday, so I don't have school. So I'm just gonna take you along in a day in my life. Oh, I don't want to get out of my bed. But yeah, I can't look at myself wearing glasses any longer, so I'm gonna go change into my contacts, eat some breakfast, get my day started, and I'm gonna take you guys along. Okay guys, it's 2 p.m. right now. We watched the movie. I practiced some violin. That was like basically all that happened. But right now we're gonna go to Target to get some stuff. And then get Starbucks. Maybe go to Costco. And I'm gonna get ready and pick an outfit right now. So I'll see you guys after I change into my outfit. Okay guys, that's my outfit. I have this top. I got this in Japan from... I forget the name, but I'll put it here. And then I have these pants from Target. They're my little pajama pants. They're like the only pajama pants I have. And I want to like get in the Christmas spirit. Now I'm going to get ready. This is what my mirror looks like. I put like that little Christmas tree thing at the top. And I like plug in these lights. Look how cute that is. I want to drop like another makeup tutorial because my makeup kind of changed. But I don't use mascara on Saturdays. Like, because I give my lashes a break day, because when I don't use mascara for a day, my lashes come back looking so healthy and I really like it. I'm so excited for Christmas, and also we have a trip planned next week that is for violence. I'm going to try to vlog that because I'm going to take you guys along, but that's going to be from Friday to Sunday, so it's only like a 3-day trip, but I'm super excited and I have a performance, so that's why we're going. But yeah, okay, so at Target I'm hoping to find like a birthday gift for my friend because it's her birthday tomorrow, or like it's her birthday party tomorrow. And I also want Starbucks because I want Starbucks, and I haven't had Starbucks in like a good month-ish. I don't know. Ow, I clipped my eyes so bad. I love this lash curler, but it hurts so bad, or I'm just bad at curling my lashes. I'm literally tearing. I'm tearing up. Okay, that's my makeup for today. I literally just put primer, illuminator, curl my lashes. That's literally all I did. Oh, I need some lip balm. I'm gonna use this one because my lip is getting so irritated. So I'm just using lip balm instead. Also because it's so cold outside. Also, this is my situation for makeup right now. It's not good. I think I'm gonna clean up my room and like the whole house after I come back. Yeah, I have a lot on my list today and it's already like 2. Hey guys, we're like in a random section. Also guys, I know how to... But anyways, for my gift, I'm getting a gift card and this candle. It smells so good. It's called like Prosecco Pine. It's kind of like a dry gift, so I feel bad, but I think I'm gonna make like a bracelet maybe. And then also, this whole store has been playing Santa Tell Me and like all the Christmas music, and it's getting me in the vibes. Also, wait, why is your camera so much better than mine? Oh, anyways, right now I think I want to get some candy canes, some mini candy canes, because I want to get mini candy canes. Okay, we're in the Christmas section now. I'm trying to find the candy canes. Oh, I love Christmas so much. I'm like literally getting in the spirit. Wait, hold up. Let me take a thumbnail. Wait, did you move out of the way? I need to take a thumbnail.
I do know how much I love these. These are so good.
Okay. I think I'm gonna get the mini ones. Yeah, I'm just gonna get like the 50 count ones. Okay guys, time check. Judy, what time is it? It's 3:30. I'm gonna do
a haul of everything I got, like a quick haul. So I got this candle. I want to do a haul too. You got 2 things. Yeah. And then a Target gift card from my friend. And then I got this little rainbow bag to put everything in. And then some mini can-cans. This has 50 in them. I did these literally every single year because they're so good. I got this snickerdoodle cookie mix because snickerdoodles are literally my favorite. And I made this at my friend's house and it was so yummy. And then I got these holly and berry sprinkles to put on top of the snickerdoodle cookies to make it seem more festive. Juju, what'd you get? I got peppermint bars and also snickerdoodle. Yeah, put some. There's some. That's it. Chocolate. You know when like the top of your mouth is like shed?
Oh my god, look how pretty the behind me is. Okay guys, dinner's done. Oh, also technically it wasn't a dinner because we didn't eat lunch, so it's like a dunch. And also it's like 4 p.m. or like 5-ish. So we're gonna head to Costco right now because it's right over there. Okay guys, it's 5 o'clock right now. We're back from Costco and we're in line for Starbucks. Can I have a tall pumpkin spice latte with light ice, no whipped cream and oat milk?
Alrighty, so a tall
Pumpkin spice
latte.
Oh, pumpkin spice frappuccino, actually, sorry.
Okay, so alrighty.
Hey guys, I got my order. That was so embarrassing to order, but I got a pumpkin spice frappuccino, no whipped cream with oat milk and light ice. And I haven't had pumpkin spice like literally ever, so I'm gonna try this out. Also, I'm using like the Snapchat light. That's why I have good lighting right now. It's so yummy. Hey guys, it is 6 o'clock right now. For some weird reason, time is moving so slowly. I feel like I've been awake for like 2 days. Anyways, I have these holiday decorations up in my kitchen, but right now I'm gonna be okay. So I have my mix right now. This is Snickerdoodle. This is $2. I did not know you could get a cookie mix for that cheap. And this is also my first time making cookies by myself. Wait, how do you preheat the oven?
3 start.
Yeah.
Okay guys, it's preheating. So now I'm gonna put this into a pink bowl. I don't really know what to talk about. Like today is like the one day I actually feel like I was like in the Christmas vibe, and it was like such a good day today. I don't know. Cause like Target was playing Christmas music and I was like, oh, I love Christmas. And we were watching a Christmas movie and I was like, oh, I love Christmas. Oh yeah, I forgot. There's this packet in here. Next up, stir cookie mix, softened butter, water, and egg. 1 stick of butter. So let's see. I hope I can use this. Softened, not melted. I don't know what the difference is, but I think I'm just gonna put it in the microwave for like 20 seconds. Okay. I got distracted and I was talking to my mom and then I accidentally melted the butter instead of softened it. So now it's melted. I'm gonna pour this in. Okay. I mix this. Actually, I'm gonna put some sprinkles in here first. That's all mixed up now. Time to go hands in. Oh, oops. That was my bad. I accidentally turned it with the pan. This is the full thing. They look a little bit messy, but I think it's gonna look cute when they come out of the oven, just trust. So I'm gonna go put these in the oven right now. Okay, I'm gonna eat one right now and do a taste test. Also, music is playing in the background, so hopefully I don't get copyrighted. Mmm, they're good. Okay guys, I'm in my bathroom now. It's like almost 10 and we were just chilling. I was practicing violin. I'm filling up the bath right now. So I'm gonna pick out a bath bomb. I take a lot of baths in the wintertime because it's cold. So I have my little bath bomb drawer. All of these are from Japan because their scents are really good. So I have this yellow one, this one, this one. I think I'm gonna go with the pink one today. Oh! That made a bad sound. So I'm out of the bath now. I'm just showered and I did all my skincare. So I think I'm going to end the video right here because I don't really have anything else to do. But thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to try to be more consistent. And I know that I say that a lot, but I'm actually going to try and edit. It just like it's really time consuming. So yeah.